This air fryer omelet tastes way fancier than it should, and it's stupid easy. The secret? Boursin cheese and yep, potato chips. First, throw your non-stick pan into the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit while we prep. Now, crack 3 eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and pepper, and give them a good whisk. Once that pan is scorching hot, add 1 tablespoon of butter and swirl it around until it melts. Now pour in the eggs and back into the air fryer it goes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Hard part done. When it beeps, carefully take out the pan, add your Boursin cheese and gently fold the omelet. Now rub it with butter, crumble some sour cream and onion chips on top, add some chives, and you've got the easiest fancy omelet ever. And yep, this is the famous omelet Sydney made in the Bear, air fryer edition. Only a few ingredients, crazy flavor, and almost no effort. Looking for more easy air fryer wins? Hit that like and subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.